Hello everyone, welcome to Citation Builder Pro. In this video, I am going to show you how we can import CORA report and generate a beautiful presentable report in this manner. To do the same, simply create a free account on SEO Report Builder.app. Then click on import button, give a name to the report, then enter the website name for which we are creating this report. Then select the template. Currently it is showing us default template, so you can select the default one. You can even create your own templates. Simply click on choose file. So in this case we are going to import this report which is we created using CORA 7.2. So simply click on choose file and download this report. Click on open and click on create. Within less than a minute, system will create a beautiful report for this CORA report. Here we can see the name of the report, the website for which we are creating the report, number of tests passed, number of tests failed, the default branding. You can customize all these branding color details using the report branding section. Here you can see it is showing us the page size, is this one, the goal, how much should be it, how much should not be, etc. It means the goal and the current values. Here you can see that it is showing us something in red because the goal is 9 and the current word count is 11. So this way it is showing us the test which are getting fail in red and the test which are getting pass in green color. We can download this report in a PDF format, as well as we can share the report URL with our clients. So this is one of the report, and this report URL don't require any kind of login details. Then client can also download in HTML PDF format as well. So both things are possible using this report. Even here you can see that there are some CTAs as well which are part of this particular report. You can customize all these CTA etc in the report customization section. In case if you want to make edits to this report, you can simply make edit from here. If you want to hide any particular element on the report, you can simply click on hide, and the respective suggestion will not be visible on the front end report. So this way you can generate beautiful reports using this utility. Thank you very much.